Ready to unlock hidden insights from your data and take your Tableau dashboards to the next level? Today, we are going to show you how to create calculated fields in Tableau. Start by opening your Tableau workbook and navigating to the data pane on the left-hand side. Right-click on any dimension or measure and select Create Calculated Field. This will open the Calculated Field Editor. In the Calculated Field Editor, give your new field a descriptive name that reflects its purpose. Now, in the formula box, you can start writing your calculation. Tableau offers a wide range of functions, operators, and fields that you can use. For example, let's say you want to calculate the profit for each product. You can simply type sales minus cost. You can also drag and drop fields from the data pane directly into the formula. As you type, Tableau will provide real-time syntax checking. A green checkmark indicates a valid calculation, while a red exclamation point indicates an error. Pay close attention to these indicators to ensure your calculation is correct. Explore the functions list to discover the different functions available. Tableau has functions for aggregations, string manipulations, date calculations, and more. Once you are satisfied with your calculation, click OK. Your new calculated field will now appear in the data pane. You can use it just like any other field in your data source, dragging it onto shelves to create visualizations and gain new insights. And that's it. You have successfully created a calculated field in Tableau. Now you can transform your data, perform custom calculations, and create more meaningful visualizations to enhance your analysis. Happy analyzing!